Alright, hey guys, here we have a Casablanca Ventura in snow white and polished brass. Fan was manufactured March 22nd, 1989. It was the 530th fan made that day. Came exactly as you see it. This fan was it was in a kitchen, so as you can imagine, it was pretty filthy. Actually, it wasn't too bad. It was actually fairly easy to clean, given that everything's pretty much just smooth surface, so all the grease came off pretty nicely. Um, so this fan, along with the California Zephyr, came with W12 controls, which is the three-way W11. So originally I wasn't gonna get either control, but eventually I got it out of her. She's like, "Oh, those controls." It's like, "Yeah." So there should have been four because, well, maybe not. No, actually, I take that back. She actually mentioned that there was two more, but we weren't able to locate them. But I guess, it's better than not getting anything. So technically, each fan comes with a control. So, yeah. Like before, really good condition. Um, I don't typically like white and brass, but I will say this is a very nice combination. So, yeah, won't hear me say that often. Me liking a white and brass fan. Before I forget, this fan has a weird flywheel which, for whatever reason, decided to harden. So, rather than it being, rubbery and, malleable, it's like basically metal at this point, and I'm actually surprised it's not louder than it is. My brass and copper Panama is the same way. It's 5 only, but again, it's the same way. And that, I believe, is pretty loud, so. Oh, what else? Oh, this one has a weird canopy. I mean, it's like a normal Casablanca canopy, but the ball, for some reason, doesn't sit in it right. It sits, like, higher than it should, and it doesn't really lock in place. So it's almost like it was, like, flattened or something. I don't really know how to describe it, but anyways, go through demo mode. Yeah, it's a little loud doing reverse, but it's really not too bad. Yeah, there it is. One of these has a stripped flywheel screw, or it's not stripped, it was put in on an angle so it doesn't sit quite right. Go to general settings, starting on speed 1. Now, I could be wrong, but the slow speed seems slower than my other Ventura. I don't know, maybe not. Right, push speed 52. Speed 3. Right, speed 4. Huh, that's weird. I have another fan that does that. Oh, that was my Saturn that did that. The light comes on halfway when you change the fan speed. Right, speed 5. And speed 6. This thing's pretty loud too, but most 42 inch or I actually don't know what size these. Yeah, I think these are 42 inch. Most Casablancas of this size are fairly loud as far as wind noise goes. I think the late Delta wins as far as noisiness goes. Alright, let's do spin down. God, that thing's so loud. You should probably just start unplugging it because that switch is obnoxious. Okay, I'm gonna try that one more time. Don't be loud. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I don't know which I like better. Yeah, I'm just gonna unplug it from now on. Which one is this? I don't know. I guess it's not too bad. I think it would be less of a hassle to leave it on. Got a long spin down now. Next one, I got 2 more fans to test. Yeah. Alright, well there's my Casablanca Ventura. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.